planning to sell your home soon, then let's hit a home run as a seller by avoiding these seller strikeouts. First, don't take low offers personally. It is an opportunity to negotiate and see if both buyer and seller can come to agreeable terms. Next, don't overprice your home just to see if anyone will consider writing an offer and negotiate weeks later. This is a seller's market and homes are moving quickly. If you overprice, that adds days to the market and buyers are curious what's wrong with the home to not have received an offer so far. Don't underestimate the importance of listing photography. Professional pictures with twilight and daylight and drone pictures all package your property for an aggressive presentation, especially since buyers are seeing your home for the first time online. Don't hide major issues from your agent. Don't hang around during showings or leave pets roaming or watch from the street as people are looking at your homes. Also, don't hide thoughts from your agent. Ask them and have the conversation for a consultation on any questions that you have as you're selling your home. Selling a home is an incredible, exciting, and sometimes very stressful. Make sure you hire a realtor who's going to work on your behalf and have a consistent, strong communication with you the entire process. It's important that you make the right choice from the very beginning so that you enjoy selling your home. I hope this was a helpful tip. Feel free to tag someone who might be considering selling their home and contact us today. We would be happy to do a consultation to see if our current housing market is the right market for you to sell your home.